everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Scandal from the 20th to the 24th of June 2022 on Monday. A family makes the hardest choice of their lives, and this reveals an even darker secret that threatens their unity. A random outburst possibly saves precious lives on Tuesday. A man's moral proved to be stronger than expected, and his actions are surprising to all. A family follows all the wrong clues on Wednesday. A man's freedom is put in jeopardy when new information surfaces. A young woman fears that her secrets and lies will soon come out in the open on Thursday. Vugile's back is against the wall and decides to gamble it all on one horse. Javas decides to do some more digging, starting with those right in front of him. Rory-san gives Freddie a harsh ultimatum on Friday. A huge confrontation occurs when a son realizes what his father has done. Ompile reveals the truth that she doesn't realize a secret. Rory-san is forced to accept a reality she never dreamt of. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.